Hello and welcome to another Yorkies, Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing. Although it's in a bag at the moment, but I've got a feeling there's a box inside. And hopefully it should be a light. And the light is for this. This is part 1 of my video. And obviously, as you'll read by the description, this will be part 2. So, like I said, I'm hoping it's the light, and it should be, because that's what I ordered. And it feels about the right size. I think it's about that big, maybe a little bit smaller, obviously. So I'll shut up now and we'll get on with the unboxing, shall we? See that right? Right, let's cut it open. Try not to damage anything. It has to go back. Looks slit in there, I reckon. Don't want to get beat by a bit of plastic. Move that out of the way. And what do we have here? There we go. It's made by a company called Neewer, as you can see. It's a LED photography light, and model number is LED NL660. You see that right? Of course you can. Right, I'll undo this bag. Should just be an easy tear open, yeah. And I'll quickly show you around the box, and then we'll get the bits and bobs out. Yorkies, Bits and Bobs. So, not showing you much. Obviously, it's got their website on there, up there. The model number. Shows you the light. Can't really see much. Product model, again, nothing there. Oh yeah, it's got some knobs on it, so you can change the lighting. You can change it to a yellow or to a white, and the brightness, of course. So it's quite a professional one. Well, it's a professional one for me anyway. So with that, I'll put it back on my little table, and we'll open it up. I think it's a little carry case as well, so it should all be in here. So take that out, take them things out, move the box out of the way, and this should just be sellotape. Yep, just a bit of sellotaping. Alright, so it comes in a nice little carry case, which is very good. Velcroed end, so you can unvelcro it like so. Which I'm going to have to do anyway, because I don't think I'll be able to open it unless I'm Velcro. Yeah, so under that, so it says Neewer. I'm sure that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, nicely packaged. Let's have a look inside. Wow, so there's a little pocket there. We've got Neewer. Obviously, it's probably be the instructions. I could be totally wrong. Preference, safety precautions. What's this? In order to minimise hazards to health and the environment and ensure that the materials can be recycled, this product should be disposed of in a separate collection facility for waste electrical and electronic equipment. Disposal, end of life. So when it's end of life, they're asking you to do that, which is very nice. Obviously, trying to help the environment. So this is an overview. So you've got an overview on the first bit, which is alright. So I'll stick that back in there. What's this? Another little one. Pro quality amateur prices. Oh, so this is, what's this? I've no idea. Dear customer, thank you for your current purchase. My name is Lucas Parker, and I am the Customer Services Director of Neewer Technology. Our team is committed to your 100% satisfaction, and we know if we meet the goal. If for any reason you are not happy for this purchase, please email me. Okay, that's just normal stuff. Trying to encourage you to let them know if you have any problems. Hopefully I shouldn't. So this is the main body. Quite heavy, by the way. it looks very professional. So it takes 2 batteries, one in there, which I'm pretty sure I've ordered. So we'll have a look in a sec. So anyway, I'll show you the back. So there's your yellow. So I think the more you go to the left, the more yellow it is, and the more you go to the right, the whiter it is. And that's your dimmer, so your brightness, basically. So we'll leave them in the middle for now. So you've got battery, so you have it on there for battery, off for the middle, and on for mains. So it comes with a mains lead by the looks of it. So we'll leave it off for now, and obviously you can run it on 2 batteries. So when you're out and about, you can run it. And then you've got your adjustments there for your tilt, like so, and then little flat covers. We'll open these up just to show you. These are made of metal by the sound of it. There you go. So that's it. So obviously you can adjust these to different how you prefer. And that fits onto the stand. I nearly said tripod, but it's actually a stand. So I'm just going to move that on the floor, put that on the floor for a second. Make sure I don't stand on it. See what else is in. So you've got a mains lead. This is just your, I always call these kettle plugs. So it's just got a nice long lead on there. It looks quite long. Probably about, at guess, and it is a guess, I'd say it's probably about 2 meters. So it's probably about 1.5. So I'm just guessing that, by the way. This will be your adapter. So you get another connection. Yeah, it's your mains adapter, as you can see. And that's probably about the same. Maybe it feels a bit shorter actually. I could be wrong. Quickly undo that. Yeah, it's a little bit shorter. That's probably 1 metre, and the other one's probably about 1/2 metre. So nicely protected, by the way. I would say that because having that foam is quite thick foam. So what I'll do now, I'll put it on the stand, and we'll see what it looks like. Right, so I've to save a bit of time, I've plugged it in already into the mains, and shall we get on with it? So these bits I'll probably have to remove because a lot of my videos are looking down, and obviously the plates are going to get in the way. So unless you do it like that, even so they're going to get in the way. So I'll probably remove these, which is quite easy to do. It's just these 4 little screws here. Just use a flathead screwdriver to release them, and remove it, and then put it in the bag that comes with it, which is quite a nice bag, by the way. So with that, I'll turn her on to the mains, because like I said, there's 2 settings, adapter and battery. So I haven't done it up tight. And this will go way above the ceiling, by the way. Although my ceiling's not that high, but it will go a long way above it. So, turn it on. I'll do the bottom one first, which should be the whiteness. There you go. So that's full power there. That's full brightness. So I'll turn that back off. And then I'll do the top one, which is yellow. There you go. And that's full brightness. So obviously you've got a lot of control there. So you could have both on at the same time, as you can see. And there's plenty of adjustment, and quite a good adjustment really. So this is my first ever light for making videos. I always use natural light, which is the sun obviously, and the lights that I have on inside the room as much as I can. But I want to try and give you a better experience and make sure it's nice and clear and you can see all my videos. So this is the second part of my video, so I thought I'll show you that. The third part will be the last part, which will be the battery pack. Yeah, so I think it's good. I think it looks really cool, and I'm looking forward to using it. Yeah, sort of makes you more professional, if you like. So yeah, that's it really. So I'm going to turn it off. Like I say, I will remove this. Actually, what I'll do, I'll remove them now. So as you can see, I've removed the plate, and I'll put it in the little carry case that came with it. So that's going to sit in a little pocket there, so it's nice and safe and secure, and I know where it is. And I'll put the 4 screws back, so they're back on there again, so I don't lose them. So it should be able to tilt better. Yeah, so so obviously if you want them on, you're not going to be able to do it with this model. Not tilt it right down like that. Obviously you've got adjustments here. Which, there you go. There's a bit tight, that one. So be able to tilt that down like so. So you can get any angle basically. So if you want it like that, looking down. So if I'm looking down on something, normally my unboxing, so pointing at the ground. So that make it brighter. Or inside my computer as well, so that'd be really good. So when I'm looking inside my computers and trying to show you a video, normally pretty dark in there, so this will brighten it up because I'll be able to lay it right down and show you the inside. Yeah, so that's really good. So quite pleased with that. It looks like it's going to do what I want it to do anyway. So that's it. So that is part 2 of this video. Part 1 was the stand, obviously. Part 2 is the light, and part 3 will be the battery pack. The ball battery pack to go on it, so that I'm not running leads all the time. Because if I'm out and about, like if I'm out in the garden, perhaps if I'm doing a live stream or something with my drones or whatever, and I've got them really close and I want the light on them or on me, so you can see me as well as the drones, and I'll be able to take it outside or whatever I'm doing outside. So that's it. So that's the end of this video. If you have any comments, please post them below. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.